It's time for another one of the big black boxes. So yes, this is box H of the Amazon exclusive Hot Wheels 16 car packs, and today we're going to be opening it up. This one here comes with a nice complimentary dent in the box. Thanks guys. So yes, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you're all doing very well. So, funny thing about this box, this one actually was delivered by Every, which is the rebranding of Hermes, because you know, every package lost, every package damaged, etc, etc. We could actually put it down to the fact that it was Hermes or Every that delivered it, and that's why it's upside down and damaged. This is how it was in the packet. So there's some foam, there's some air packaging there. They've actually got a box that fits this a bit more snugly now, but first of all it was upside down in the box, so I don't know if that means anything. And yeah, damage there, but we can see why, because the box has been dented right through. But I don't know, these things happen. But yeah, it used to be delivered by Raw Mail, so I don't know when they've changed that, whether that's just for this box or a recent thing. Anyway, I'll pan the camera down a bit and we'll waste no time, and we shall open it up to hopefully something good. Because where's the dent? Oh, okay, I think the car's got away with it actually, which is good, which is very nice to see. I'm really hopeful that this might be the one. Actually no, if I was gonna have to have one, hopefully it's in the next case, because that's got the Super in it. But yeah, so without waiting around, let's get into it. And first things first, we have the Rolling Railer. Nope, the Rocking Railer. Didn't actually have this car. I've seen quite a few of them. Oh, the actual engine in there rocks while it goes along. Oh, that's actually quite neat. I didn't know it did that. That's quite cool. So yeah, it's a fancy car. That's okay. Next up, we have a Hot Wheels HW4 track. So sort of almost like an F1 or sort of racer style car. Part of the Hot Wheels 55 race team. That's pretty nice. Didn't have one of them either actually. Next up we have the Glory Chaser, and unfortunately it is not a Super. Oh man. Yeah, so there's a Super variation of this car here. This one isn't it, unfortunately. But yeah, pretty cool car. I don't think I've actually bought one of these myself either, to be fair. It's hard to know what to buy now, because I'm always anticipating getting it in this box, but you don't get everything. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I do like the fact that's got the Golf livery. That's very nice. Shame it's not a Super though. So probably won't be a Super in this box, unfortunately, but there we are. Next up we have a Roller Toaster. This one says peanut butter jelly on the side. The decal on that looks a bit blurry. Does it want a few more pixels on that? I don't know if that's how it's meant to look or what. Just looks a bit funny to me. Right, this one's a cool one, and it means I could probably gift the other one of these to my friend now. We have the Audi Sport Quattro. Very nice, bit of dust on that. This is really nice. I love the decals on this, with all the front light details and that done up really nicely. It's a really cool casting. Part of the Hot Wheels 80 set, one I'm hoping to try and get all the cars out of, and yeah, this is nice. Awesome to have that on a long card. And next up we have a Lamborghini Sian. Oh, that's going to be pronounced a certain way, I'm not sure. I don't want to butcher it. But yeah, this is very nice. Part of the Hot Wheels Exotics. Got it's a 60th anniversary as well. That's really cool. All the lights are good on this. This looks really nice. But yeah, I'm good to get one of these. I bought one from the shop as a short card variant, so we'll get round to opening that when the monthly haul rolls around. Next up we have another Batman car, the Batman Forever Batmobile. That's cool if you're into that sort of thing. And here we have a cool combi, and this is a pretty popular casting, I do believe. Have seen one of these on the pegs. Didn't pick one up though, so pretty cool to have one. On the long card as well. Really nice. This one's got the Moon Eyes livery in a matte grey finish. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so that's row 1 finished with. Let's check out row number 2 and start things off with the Dodge Power Wagon. Really awesome, massive lifted up truck with the muddy wheels, and your mud splatters up the side there on that decal. Very cool. What's up next? We have the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. This is from the Fast and Furious series. Really nice. Nice and silver. Got really nice details with it. Sweet, and a license plate. That's awesome. And the front badge too. Next up, we have the Jaguar I-Pace. I didn't realise this was so new actually. I thought this was from the last case. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh, I might be confusing it with the Ford actually. The EMAC. Maybe that's why. Electric car that's blue and black. It's pretty cool though, the old Jaguar logo up the side of that there. Next up, we have the Fast Felon. Or Felion, should I say, sorry. Pretty cool. Quite like the sort of dark purple and yellow design on that one. Right, next up we have the i8 Roadster. This is pretty cool. Didn't have one of these in the collection. I've been putting off buying it. Seen a few of these stolen actually. A few of these empty cards sitting on the pegs. But it's quite nice. All your rear light details and that. It's pretty cool. Then we have the Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. Pretty awesome. We've had this before. And here we have it again in a recolor. Very, very awesome indeed. I like this because it has all the lensed headlights and that. Very nice in the gold and black there. Let's get a bit of a zoom in. Try and show you some of them details. Very cool. In fact, I've got to say, most of the cars in this seem pretty well intact despite the out of box damage. Next up we have the Pagani Zonda R. Found a few of these recently, but it's cool to have it as a long card. Very nice. This has been recoloured as well. We've already looked at the white variant. And finally, another Plymouth GTX. I've been seeing these quite a lot on the pegs recently, but it's a very, very cool casting. Looks very awesome in orange. I love the bit of chrome they've added down the side there, onto the base there. That's really cool. So yeah, very awesome stuff. So that is actually it for this box. Well, that went rather quickly. Well, what should we do? I suppose we should sort by what we usually do, the real life and the licensed and the non-licensed. Now, where do I put that? I'm going to have to put that in the non-licensed, I think. Non-licensed. One, do. What are we getting each then? 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So we got a few more of the license, which we tend to get actually. I don't know what this sorting them by license and non-license achieves, really. I guess it just shows how many fantasy cars you're going to get in these boxes. But yeah, I mean, you know, you could get the luck of that, because again, the Super variant is a non-licensed casting. Okay, shame we get that so early, because yeah, I'm always holding out to get a Super, but I don't know. Maybe I should go back and have a look at the reviews, see if anyone's posted about getting a Super recently. There were some original pictures of the Batmobile, the Toon Batmobile Super that people had pulled, but I do wonder if they just put more of them in because to get the hype built up. I don't think I've had anyone talking about getting a Super out of these since. Maybe I'll go have a look at some videos or something. But yeah, I mean, if you're collecting these yourself and you've pulled anything good, a Super or a regular treasure hunt, do be sure to let me know. Do be sure to let me know if you found any treasure hunts yourself. Of course, let me know your thoughts and opinions on the BlackBox series, and let me know what you think of these cars. Do you think I got a good box? We'll have a quick go over, another quick look at all the cars 2 by 2. That one's got a bit stuck. And there are those two. Last but not least. So, all in all, how do I feel about this box? I don't know. I think the problem is recently these boxes have been taking so long to release and get here that I've already seen all the cars in the shops before these actually come out. These really need to be released a little bit earlier, I think, to actually be worth buying, because I know America's ahead of us with their pegs. I know they've got the cases out before us, so it isn't just the time it takes to ship from America to here. They are coming out way too late. I got 2 of the H cases pre-ordered in the hope I'll get the Super, but annoyingly I did that before I accidentally bought 2 of the G case, and every car on it was identical, so I had literally 2 of each. So I really do hope there is still a chance of getting Supers and they're not being pulled out by factory workers or whatever. I honestly do not know what the chances are. I'll keep my faith in, because I know the long cards and stuff, it's easy to find the Supers and things, but hopefully the next 2 boxes I will hopefully pull one. I mean, at the end of the day, these are still about the same price as it would be to buy them in the store over here, even with all the taxes and imports added on top, which is quite crazy to be fair. But I have noticed I'm getting a lot of duplicates recently, which is fine because I can give some to friends. I mean, I could even go and sell some if I really wanted to, but oh, that just sounds like effort to me. But yeah, let me know what you think down below. While you're down in the comment section, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more. There's some more black boxes coming whenever Mattel decide to release them, and of course there's many other awesome Hot Wheels stuff to check out on the channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, I appreciate all of you. I wish you all the best of luck in your peg hunts, and black boxes if you're buying them too. But that's all I have for now. I'll see you in the next video.